Integrity, the quiet strength that guides a person when the world is silent and no one is watching. It is the courage to choose the truth, the honesty that lights our path, and the goodness that grows in every small action. Today, through still moments and silent scenes, we present to you the many faces of integrity. Scene 1: The Honest Student. In a quiet classroom where lessons come without words, a young student stumbles upon a wallet near the teacher's desk. Temptation brushes past him, but integrity holds his hand. With honesty shining in his eyes, he chooses the right path, returning what is not his. The teacher's heart warms in pride, and the student around witness how a simple act can speak volumes. Honesty in classroom shapes honest citizen for tomorrow. Let us now see integrity in the hands of a healer. Scene 2: The Doctor's Integrity. In the calm of a hospital room, a healer faces a different kind of test. A desperate relative offers money, hoping to buy extra care. But true service cannot be bought. The doctor lifts both palms, a quiet declaration of integrity. In hospitals, integrity protects life, but in marketplaces, it protects trust. Scene 3: The Honest Shopkeeper. In a busy marketplace where voices rise and coins clatter, a shopkeeper discovers extra money in his hand. For some, it might be luck, but for her, it is a chance to show who she truly is. She calls the customer back, returning what does not belong to her. In that simple gesture, integrity becomes the richest treasure a person can own. Let us now witness courage born from integrity. Scene 4: The Courageous Citizen. In the busy rush of everyday life, integrity often appears in small choices, choices that test our patience and our principle. Here, a citizen approaches a traffic signal. The light turns red, and he stops immediately, honoring the rule meant to keep everyone safe. But others behind him grow restless. Yet he stands firm, calm, steady, and unshaken. Integrity does not only speak in difficult moments, it also runs beside us in the race of life. Scene 5: The Athlete's Fair Play. On the field of a competition where every second counts, integrity becomes the true mark of a champion. The race is tight, victory is close, but a fellow runner falls. Watch how integrity overtakes ambition as the athlete stops, helps, and lifts another. For some, victories shine brighter than medal, the victories of character. And now, all these faces of integrity comes together as one. These are the many faces of integrity: the student, the doctor, the shopkeeper, the courageous citizen, the athlete, and so on. Different roles, different stories, but one message. Integrity is not a single act, it is a way of life. It breathes in honesty, stands in courage, and shines in every choice made with truth.
तू खुद की खोज में निकल, तू किस लिए हताश है? तो चल, तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है, समय को भी तलाश है। जो तुझसे लिपटी बेड़ियां, समझना इनको वस्त्र तू। जो तुझसे लिपटी बेड़ियां, समझना इनको वस्त्र तू। ये बेड़ियां पिघाल के बना ले इनको शस्त्र तू, बना ले इनको शस्त्र तू। तो खुद की खोज में निकल, तो किस लिए हताश है? तो चल, तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है, समय को भी तलाश है।